Come along, come and see. It's the animal ABC. Clap your hands and sing with me. We're marching through the ABCs. A is for alligator, chomping by the lake, chomp chomp. B is for bear, who loves to bake growl-yum. C is for cat, who purrs all day, meow. D is for dog, who wants to play, woof woof. A, B, C, D, come and see. We're learning animals. 1, 2, 3. Roar and squeak and flap with glee. It's the animal ABC. E is for elephant, big and round, too. F is for frog, who loves to bounce around, ribbit. G is for giraffe, tall and kind. H is for horse, who gallops behind. Neigh. E, F, G, H. Jump and play. Animals help us learn today. Clap your hands and sing with me. It's the animal ABC. I is for iguana, green and bright. J is for jaguar, fast as light. K is for kangaroo, bounce so high. Boing. L is for lion, king of the sky, roar. M's for monkey, swinging around. Ooh. N's for narwhal, splashing sound, splash. O's for owl, who hoots at night, hoo-hoo. P's for penguin, dressed in white, waddle, waddle. Q is for quail, quiet and small. R is for rabbit, hopping for all. S is for snake, slithering by. T is for tiger, with stripes so high, roar. U is for unicorn, magic and true. V is for vulture, flying too. W's whale, splashing free, whoosh. X is for X-ray fish, we can see. Y is for yak, with shaggy hair. Z is for zebra stripes to share. Now we've sung from A to Z, animals for you and me. Clap your hands, say yippee.